berbicara soal hidup. Life can be a very pleasant dish or often very sad. This happens because of different perspectives which are influenced by the background of each person. To keep you happy, you must have positive perspective, assuming that your life is to be thankful for and enjoy it with all happiness. Not just feel like with melancholy and for text with sorrow. Because you lost in the transmission by others, so you must be able to make your own way of life. You have the right to decide what is best for you. Living the life you have sought be followed by happiness that you can get from yourself, family, colleagues, and the surrounding environments. There's no reason not to be happy, alright? Kebahagiaan akan membuat hidup Anda lebih berwarna. Bahagia akan membuat Anda tetap bertahan meskipun sering mengalami kegagalan dalam hidup. Dengan membawa kebahagiaan setiap hari, setiap waktu, dimanapun berada. En realidad estas lucrando con las cosas perezosas que quiera encontrar que estás present. Jak balaku linggang, pinggang balaku ija. Ngui balaku tubuh, baju balaku.